So freaking cold! We're gonna try something new today. Seat heating. First we'll be going to German Home Depot, which is called Hornbach. It's pronounced Hornbach. Okay? Plastic wrap and tape. I'm gonna do something strange today. I'm done with my plastic because the piece is mainly built of plastic actually. When I was talking about a small theater next to Stuttgart where I could do what I want, this is it. I talk about it in this vlog here. We're gonna build a forest on this stage. So to have a proper forest, I spent the last days drawing birds, drawing trees, getting clouds from my hard drives because I filmed so many clouds, there have to be some clouds somewhere, and composed the whole thing so it fits with the tree gonna build on this stage. It's gonna be a tree built out of plastic because there is a certain thing going on about plastic and waste and that stuff. So we're gonna... The tree at least is not that easy to do, but let's look at it. On the other hand, it should be fairly easy if you know what you're doing. So let's give it a try. Television arrived, so we're gonna stop setting up for a second, let Andy do his work, and tell those guys a few words about the piece. I hope I can tell them how things change. I'm not gonna tell them about the tree. Even the television people get those shoes on because they have to be clean, like we have to be clean on stage. So let's be clean on stage. I'm going to link below the link to this TV show. So you're going to link and click it down below there. No, wait, finish watching and then you watch their stuff.
Ja.
Irgendwo.
Ah!
Den haben wir jetzt hier. Ganz toll.
There is this very old tradition of saying "toy, toy, toy" to everybody on stage. And you speak over the shoulders. And that's why you don't stand behind somebody before premiere.
Gut.
Pussy, 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 hey! Kaputt gemacht!
Every company has their own secret. Every company has their own secret procedure. Their own secret procedure to celebrate the beginning of the show and wishing everybody luck. So this is what they do. This is how you do it in Pforzheim. Welcome to the channel where I show you the hack how to get 500 views within the first 20 seconds of your video. Come with me. It's a very easy process. This is the video. And those are 500 people watching it.